Hi my beautiful people, welcome to Kitchen Treats if it's your first time. Yeah, this fateful morning I was making a green smoothie. The recipe is up on my channel if you want to see that. Yeah, I was making this smoothie when I thought of what other things I could enjoy my smoothies with, and I remembered I had some chicken wings, so I decided to make this quick brunch and show you how I do it. So here are my chicken wings. I'll be using this roasted garlic barbecue sauce. Yeah, this is from Rema 1000 if you live in Norway. Yeah, and I'll be using this sesame seeds. Yeah, and then my olive oil. Let's see how I do that in a bit. The first thing I'll be doing is put some oil in this pan, just a little bit, not so much. I'll be shallow frying the chicken wings before we marinate them in the barbecue sauce. Yeah, the essence of this is that it wouldn't take time to we don't need to keep the chicken for a long time. Let's say keep it in the fridge for an hour or so before we grill. It makes it easier for the chicken to absorb the barbecue sauce. Yeah, so I'll be lining this tray, this baking pan. Yeah, I'm using this pan because it's just enough for the amount of chicken I'm using. If you have a lot more chicken than I do, then you may consider using a pan instead, like a tray. The trays that come with the oven, I mean. Yeah, so here is my pan. I'll go ahead now and shallow fry the chicken. Yeah, like I'm doing here. So we'll be giving them 3-4 minutes on each side. Let's say 2-3 minutes, not a long time. Flip onto the other side after 3-4 minutes. Yeah, you will see that the first side looks kind of a golden brown. Yeah, so I went ahead to just add the rest of my chicken. I moved the first ones onto one side, and then just to quicken things up, I added the rest on the other side. So here I'm taking off the first set. The rest I will allow to shallow fry just like the first set. Yeah, you can see what they look like when you flip them over. Yeah, so I'll be doing the rest. The rest. So after another 3 minutes, they were ready. I just took them off the pan and started by putting them in this tray. Yeah. Then I'll be adding some fresh pepper, but if you don't eat pepper, just skip this step. It's not a problem. So it's time to put in the barbecue sauce, but then I changed my mind and decided to put the chicken in this glass bowl before transferring to the tray later. So now I'll go ahead and shake the barbecue sauce and then add enough to coat the chickens. Yeah. At the end of the day, I used like half of this bottle. I don't think it's up to half anyways, just a little before half. Yeah, but you use more if you have more chicken than I do here. You just have to make sure your chicken is well coated in the sauce. Yeah, so I went ahead to mix and get the chicken to coated in the sauce. Yeah, so after this I would be adding the sesame seeds. Yeah, I used about a tablespoon. Yeah, so I'll be mixing that in, like get it coated, well coated onto the chicken. Yeah, so after mixing it in, I went ahead to transfer them onto my already lined tray. Yeah. So the next thing I'll be doing after I line them here is to let it sit not more than 10 minutes while I preheat the oven and wash up. Yeah, but you can actually put it straight away into the oven and it will still come out nice. So we'll be using the grill button at about 180 degrees to 200 depending on your oven. Yeah, and then we'll be letting it sit on the second step in the oven, not on the topmost, because we don't want it to get burnt. I gave them 10 minutes on each side in the oven, and you can see it's bubbling over, showing it's well grilled through. Yeah, our chicken is ready. Look at how moist that looks. Yum. Wow, eyes indeed eat first. So finally our brunch is ready, and finally I have something I can enjoy with my smoothie. Yeah, do check out my green smoothie recipe if you haven't already, and I hope you give this recipe a try. You can see I just couldn't wait to test it, and you will soon get my nod of approval. Yeah, guys, do give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Have a beautiful day.